Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing our machine spotlight on our API Radian Tracker. What we're going to actually do today is actually a little bit different. Instead of doing an inspection on a part, we're going to do a quick reverse. We have someone that works here at our company that wants to create a glass for the front of their razor here, but it's actually a custom built cage. So we're going to get some dimensions off of it using the tracker. This is kind of where the tracker shines, is on the bigger parts. We can also do inspection on bigger parts, of course, but for what we had here available to us, I had the razor here, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take some points on these. I'm gonna measure a few cylinders down here. We're basically straight from here to here. I got a cylinder here with a bend and a cylinder here. So we're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cylinders. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a spline all the way across here. That's gonna be where we're gonna meet up with our window. So let's get right into it. I have my tracker set up. Nice thing about the tracker is you can have it set up using Verisurf with a smart point. So I have it set up to do smart point. I'm gonna measure some cylinders. I'm just gonna do 8 points. It's straight tube. Oh. So you can also set this up where you measure with your phone, or you can set it up where you measure with your Apple Watch. Hey guys, so I've got all my measurements here now. I export everything to CAD so we can see this is kind of, I did it real rough. So here's the 3 tubes across the top, a couple down the side. Here's our this is our little bit thicker of a casing on the bottom, as we saw. And then here's the outline across the hood. So from here, I can go in here, I created a couple pieces of wireframe, and I can create some drafting across here pretty easily. If I just go C. So here's our top dimension. Here's a dimension a little bit closer to the bottom, so we can see there's a little bit of an angle there. And then we could do a dimension from like the highest point to the center line or something if we want. We get a height there, or we could go from the bottom of it. We turn this a little bit of an angle. We grab a dimension from the bottom and go whatever we want. We can get all the dimensions that we need now. I created basically a WCS off of these cylinders, so now it sits flat. If I go into a top view, I'm looking at it here. If I go to a front view, it's looking straight down the other way. So, like I said, the tracker's really good for doing big stuff like this. We could also go back and verify these locations. Let's say if this was a weldment and we wanted to align these a little bit better. Let's say we didn't want this to be 40.240. We could actually flex that in a little bit, or we could heat it up. We could do what we wanted to on the weldment using the tracker to bring that into, it looks like it's about a 750 difference, 3/4 of an inch. We could fix that with the tracker pretty easily. And then we could report it out as needed. So like I said, big parts, the tracker's great for it. If you guys want to see anything different or a different example, feel free to reach out and I could try and come up with something. Other than that, you guys have a good one. Hope you guys enjoyed all these videos.